everyone! My name is Lucy, and welcome back to Lucyverse. In today's video, we're doing the ultimate 2025 showdown. Binance versus Coinbase versus Kraken. All three are trusted crypto giants, but which one truly deserves your money this year? We'll compare them across regulation, security, trading features, fees, and user experience. And at the end, I'll crown one as the best exchange for 2025. So, grab your seat. This battle is about to begin. Part 1. Quick overview of the three giants. Before we compare, here's a lightning-fast background on each exchange. Binance, the world's largest exchange by trading volume, with millions of daily users and global licenses across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Coinbase, the most regulated exchange, publicly listed on Nasdaq and trusted heavily by US investors. Kraken, one of the oldest and most respected platforms, known for its security and long track record of zero hacks. All three are great, but they serve very different audiences. Part 2. Regulation and trust. Let's start with regulation, because that's what keeps your funds safe. Coinbase takes the crown here. It's regulated by the SEC, FINCEN, and the FCA in the UK. They also offer FDIC insurance up to $250,000 for US balances. Kraken follows right behind. It's licensed in both the US and EU and publishes independent proof of reserves audits every year. Binance, on the other hand, had regulatory controversies in 2023 to 2024, but has since secured official licenses in France, Italy, Spain, and Dubai. They've matured massively and now work closely with regional authorities. So in 2025, Coinbase equals most compliant. Kraken equals secure transparency. Binance equals global progress. Part 3. Trading features and tools. Now for the fun part, trading tools. If you're a pro trader, Binance easily dominates. They offer spot, margin, and futures trading with leverage up to 125 times, plus an advanced interface, chart indicators, bots, and instant liquidity. Kraken is more professional grade. Its Kraken Pro engine handles high-frequency trading with deep order books and stability during volatility. Coinbase keeps it beginner-friendly. The main app is super simple, but Coinbase Advanced, formerly Pro, adds limit orders, depth charts, and real-time analytics. For pure performance, Binance wins here hands down. Kraken feels built for institutions. Coinbase remains the cleanest for everyday investors. Part 4. Fees and costs. Now, let's talk about the one thing every trader cares about: fees. Binance, approximately 0.1% trading fee, lowest in the market. Kraken, approximately 0.16% maker / 0.26% taker, reasonable for regulated trading. Coinbase, approximately 0.4% plus spreads, the highest, but comes with legal protection and ease of use. So, if you want the cheapest fees, Binance wins. If you want fair balance with legal coverage, Kraken. And if you value simplicity, Coinbase is still worth it for peace of mind. Part 5. Security and transparency. This category is where Kraken shines brightest. Kraken has never been hacked since 2011 and keeps 95% of funds in cold storage. Coinbase stores 98% offline and maintains insurance for US users. Binance operates the SAFU Fund, a $1 billion insurance pool for emergencies. All three perform strongly in 2025, but Kraken takes the lead in auditable proof of reserves and track record.
Part 6. User experience and support. Ease of use matters more than you think. Coinbase offers the simplest mobile experience, ideal for beginners and casual investors. Binance can look intimidating but offers tons of features for advanced users. Kraken sits in between. Clean UI with professional-grade data panels. For support, Kraken and Coinbase both have 24/7 chat help and verified email responses. Binance has massive global support, but can be slow due to volume. If you want a smooth, no-stress experience, Coinbase is king. If you want power, Binance. If you want control and stability, Kraken. Part 7. Final comparison. So, let's wrap up this battle with a quick scorecard. Category winner. Reason, regulation. Coinbase fully SEC and FCA compliant. Trading tools Binance, most features and liquidity. Security Kraken, never hacked plus proof of reserves. Fees Binance, lowest costs, beginner friendly. Coinbase, easiest UI. Pro traders Kraken/Binance, advanced modes and API access. In the end, there's no one best exchange. It depends on you. If you're a beginner, go with Coinbase. If you're a pro, Binance or Kraken will serve you best. And if you're a long-term investor, stability always wins. Part 8. Which exchange fits you best? Okay, so now that we've compared the numbers, security, and tools, let's talk about something most traders overlook: finding the right fit for your own trading style. You see, not every trader needs the biggest platform. Some people value simplicity. Others chase advanced options or tight spreads. So let's figure out which exchange truly matches you. For beginners and investors, if you're someone who just wants to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a few altcoins safely and hold for the long term, Coinbase is the easiest and safest bet. You can connect your bank, buy instantly, and your funds are insured. Everything is transparent and beginner-friendly. Think of Coinbase as the Apple of crypto exchanges: simple, polished, and dependable. For day traders and volume players, if you love charts, indicators, and fast trades, Binance is where you'll thrive. Its liquidity is unmatched, meaning you can enter or exit trades in seconds without big price swings. It's perfect for futures, margin trading, and anyone who wants a professional environment with hundreds of pairs. Just make sure you don't get lost in all those buttons. Binance can feel like a cockpit, but once you learn it, it's a powerhouse. For long-term pros and institutions. And finally, if you're someone who trades with large amounts or manages portfolios for clients, Kraken is your best friend. It's the most stable, regulation-heavy platform, and its proof of reserves audits give you true peace of mind. When you're handling six-figure trades or client assets, trust everything. So the formula is simple. Coinbase equals safety, Binance equals power, Kraken equals trust. And that right there is the foundation for smart trading in 2025. And that's the verdict. Binance versus Coinbase versus Kraken in 2025. Each platform has its strengths, but the best exchange is the one that matches your style and keeps your funds safe. Drop a comment Crypto Battle 2025, like this video, and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns every week. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.